Bonjour, today let's conjugate the verb savoir in 5 main tenses. Okay, so let's have a look at savoir. I have chosen savoir because it's a really highly irregular verb. Now, savoir means to know, but it means to know how to do something, okay? It is not connaître, which means to know someone or something. So have a look at savoir as in to know how to do something. Now we're going to conjugate savoir in the present tense. So let's have a look at what it looks like. Remember that because savoir is a highly irregular verb, the chance is that it's not going to look like its infinitive form. So have a look at savoir. When you conjugate it in the present tense, it's je sais. I know, okay? Je sais. Spelling changes completely. Tu sais, you know. Il sait, he knows. Elle sait, she knows. On sait, one knows. Nous savons, we know. Vous savez, you know. Ils savent, they know. Elles savent, they know. Okay, so if you're not familiar with the subject pronoun, please have a look at my lessons on how to conjugate a verb in the present tense with the subject pronouns. Now, I want you to concentrate on the nous form of this present tense here. Nous savons. That will come useful when conjugating the imperfect tense. Have a look at the passé composé. We want to say, I have known, I knew. Okay, how do we do that? We have to have a auxiliary verb, either to have or to be. It depends on the verb. In that case, savoir is conjugated with the verb to have in the present tense. So I have, you have, and so on. And then you add what we call the past participle. In order to form the past participle of a verb, you actually, in this case, have to know it by heart. So savoir, the past participle is su, S-U. I know, don't ask. So how do you say I knew? You would say j'ai su. I have known or I knew. It means both. Tu as su. You have known, you knew. Il a su. He knew, he has known, and so on. Elle a su. She has known. On a su. One has known. Nous avons su. We have known. Vous avez su. You have known. Ils ont su. They have known. Elles ont su. They have known. You can only know how to conjugate this verb if you know how to conjugate to have in the present tense. J'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, nous avons. Again, it is widely available on my channel, okay, if you're not sure of how to conjugate those verbs. Now, let's have a look at savoir again in the imperfect tense. Now, remember when I said that you needed to have a look at the nous form of the present tense of savoir? It is savons. And the reason why I want you to know that is because it's the stem of the imperfect. So that's what you're going to need to start the word. So, je save, and then you add the imperfect endings. Okay, and these are as followed. Je savais, I used to know, or I was knowing. Tu savais, you used to know. Il savait, he used to know. Elle savait, she used to know. On savait, one used to know. Nous savions, we used to know. Vous saviez, you used to know. Ils savaient, they used to know. And elles savaient. Okay, they used to know. So have a look at these endings because these endings will be useful when conjugating the conditional tense. So it's all linked. Okay, there is no surprise though. In third group verb, all you need to know by heart is actually the past participle, which is often very different from their infinitive form, and also the stem of the imperfect and the future tense. The future tense stem, I'm afraid you have to learn it by heart. It is saur. S-A-U-R. So we want to say, I will know. How do we do that? You add the stem and then these special future endings. Je saurai, I will know. Tu sauras, you will know. Il saura, he will know. Elle saura, she will know. On saura, one will know. Nous saurons, we will know. Vous saurez, you will know. Ils sauront, they will know. Elles sauront, they will know. So, if you have a look at the ending, je saurai, tu sauras, il saura, nous saurons, vous saurez, ils sauront, and so on, it matches the avoir. J'ai, tu as, il a, elle a. So these endings actually match the conjugated version of to have in the present tense, okay? It's all about following patterns here. So, how do we do the conditional? We take the stem of the future, sors, and we add the imperfect endings. So, je saurais, I would know. Tu saurais, you would know. Il saurait, he would know. Elle saurait, she would know. On saurait, one will know, would know. Nous saurions, so watch out with that. That's the difference between nous saurons, which is we will know, and nous saurions, we would know. So one little letter makes a lot of difference. Vous sauriez, and again, you would know, sorry. Il saurait, and elle saurait, they would know. Okay, that's it on savoir in 5 different tenses. Now you have examples available on the support guide to this lesson at learnfrenchwithalexa.com. That's it for me. Subscribe, leave a comment. Au revoir, à bientôt, bisous bisous.